So, today is Thursday, October 28th. You'll have to forgive me for continually taking videos while driving, but I have an appointment to get a dirt bike. So I believe this would be the Brooks Range in Wyoming, from the west, or the south, right? From the west. Which is, yeah, either way, the only way I've ever seen it. We are not going up into the Brooks Range. We are driving west alongside it, up into, we're going to go further west into Idaho to get over to Helena, Montana. And so we'll give you some snapshots if we get closer to the mountains or in the mountains. I don't know if Helena is in the mountains. If it was January, this vacation would be scheduled to go to eastern Montana. Big Sky is a huge resort that people love. And there's another one next to it. But no snowboarding in October. Okie dokie.